Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Adeola Deus, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you 5 passive business ideas you can build out of Canva. We have talked about Canva before on this same channel, and then I'm going to show you the 5 passive business ideas you can build out of Canva in 2022. So you're going to follow me in this video, how you're going to make money from Canva even while you sit at home. You understand? So basically, my point number one is save more while you use Canva for your personal business. Now, most times when you consider the amount you pay to a graphic designer, for example, from time to time, you understand, some graphic designer may charge you as low as 2,000 naira, you understand, in order to design a graphics for you. So for example, now you have stuff to actually post, like some designs you want to do for personal reasons, you want to post them, and all of that. You just want to do some stuffs. You can actually use your Canva. I'm going to show you my own Canva. For example, what I've done with my Canva, I've used my Canva to design so many graphics, personally. I'm going to show you canva.com. If you have the mobile app, just go to your Google Play Store and then download Canva. It's very easy. Download Canva from your Google Play Store. That's if you are using an Android phone. Alright, so I'm going to show you basically some of the designs I've done using Canva. Alright, I'm going to show you some of the designs I've done using Canva without paying a graphic designer. I'll go to all your designs, all my designs. Alright, if you are yet to sign up with Canva, ensure you sign up with Canva. It's very important. You understand? It's very important to sign up with Canva. Alright, make sure you sign up with them. It's loading. Alright, so basically you're going to see what I've been able to achieve using Canva. Alright, what I've been able to achieve. Yes, I created this CV for a client, that a company, they needed my service for digital marketing. So I used Canva to design this CV. In less than 3 minutes I was done with it. You understand? And then the company, as it stands now, of course, I had an interview with them and we've been able to discuss how much I'll be charging for running digital marketing services for them. So basically I used Canva to design this certificate. As you can see, it was Canva I used in designing this certificate without paying a graphic designer a dime. You can see it now. It has saved me the cost of paying. You see it now. You can see I used Canva to design this awesome certificate. Canva, the same Canva some person might be having issues with, I use it to design this particular certificate and I present it to my students. You see it now. So all I just have to do is just to edit, and do all sort of stuff. That's all. She understands. So basically I use Canva to design most. In fact, if I just need urgent stuff, like I need to post, I have an idea, I will use my Canva. Even this video I'm creating at the moment, I will still use my Canva to design it at the end of the day. You understand? So I use Canva to design this, I use Canva to design this, I use Canva in designing this. A lot of stuff I've used Canva for. You understand? I will show you so that it doesn't look as if probably I'm hiding something. I just want you to understand that Canva can be used for personal sake. You understand? So you can use it for personal sake, for personal business, and you save more instead of paying a graphic designer to do your jobs for you. You get the point now. So you can see it now. I use Canva in designing these awesome designs. You understand? Some time ago when I was going to teach digital training with certification, I used Canva. Everything was Canva based. You get the point now. So if you have not started using Canva, I can tell you that you are missing out. You understand? So for the year 2022, and you want to save costs and you want to make more money, you understand, learn to use Canva. It is very important. Some people use Canva to design a magazine. Funny enough, yes, they use it in designing a magazine. Okay, another point you need to note is freelancing services. Yeah, these freelancing services, it means like you can't be offering services telling people that okay, you can design graphics, for them. You understand? So you can go on what is it called now? What is it called? Fiverr.com. Let me go on Fiverr.com. If you don't have an account with Fiverr.com, please register with Fiverr.com. Register with Fiverr.com. It's very, very important. I have an account with Fiverr. You can see my profile picture there. So like for example now, find services. I could just be like, okay, let me say Canva. People that uses Canva. Let me see whether we have people who uses Canva on Fiverr. I definitely believe we have people that uses Canva. Yes, results for Canva. He said, I will design anything in Canva. Templates, custom designs. You can see this person here. She's a 2-level seller on Canva. Alright, let me open it in another tab. Open link in new tab. Alright. This person said, I will create Canva Instagram template for a beautiful feed. Yes, people uses it. You understand? Uses Canva a lot for Instagram. I'm gonna give you a sample in my next slide. I don't know what's wrong with that particular page. It's not opening. Now see what this person said on Canva. On Fiverr. She's charging the sum of $35, 35 US dollars, just to do what? Said I will create quality, eye-catching and branded designs in Canva. Let's see what she has done before. You can see it now. This timer, okay. This also with Canva. You can see it now. These are things she has done. She's just trying to show us. And there are some that are just screenshots of what you have on Canva already. Let's see how many jobs this person has gotten. Wow. She has done 35 jobs for people. And she has 3 others in queue. I believe you can see that now. 3 others in queue. Can you see that now? So, and she said she's going to do it in 7 days delivery. What I'm going to do within 1 day, and somebody is doing it within what, 7 days. So you can see it now. So people are making money on Canva, on Fiverr, rendering these services, and there are only 10,360 services available for Canva users. People that offer services on Canva on Fiverr, sorry. So I hope you understand what I'm saying now. So you can make money online with Canva. So all you just need to do is to create a gig. I'm going to create a course very soon on how to create a gig using Fiverr. You understand? I believe many persons don't know how to create a gig on Fiverr. So I'm going to create a course on that, how you can create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, so that is that. So you can make money by offering freelancing services on Fiverr or Upwork. There's another freelancing website which is known as Upwork, so you can register with them too, but I don't use Upwork anyway. I use Canva more. Okay, so the third one, the third one is social media management. Now for example, there are a lot of persons who are very, very busy. They do not have time to manage their social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook page, WhatsApp app, classes. I know of a person that has about I think almost 50 WhatsApp groups she has, she organizes training for. Now she's actually a business coach. She doesn't have time, but she has created her videos. So because she doesn't have the time for that, she employed someone. This can actually be like a business idea to someone watching this video. You understand? So she employed someone to actually manage our WhatsApp groups. You can see it now. So while she is just creating videos, somebody is just there to doing the posting on the WhatsApp groups, just like the way I would drop my videos on WhatsApp groups, for my students to engage with and ask questions. So somebody was doing it for the woman. You understand? So you can actually be a social media manager using Canva. How? I'll explain. I'm going to show you my friend. She's a barrister. Okay, she uses most often she uses Canva on her page. This is Lillian Liga. Okay, she's actually a barrister, and you can see this post. This post here. Now she didn't ask to pay. She didn't pay any graphic designer to do this. Can you see it now? Now she got 19 likes. I'm gonna like her page. I'm gonna like her posts. You see it now. So she used Canva basically to doing all of these things. And then when you go to her page, you kind of like love her page because it is well organized, well, like very beautiful page. And she has how many followers on Instagram? Okay, I'm probably, because I'm using I should be able to see the number of followers she's having. Okay, yeah, good. 2,305 followers. She's having 2,305 followers. Are you seeing it now? She has gotten 344 posts. She has made 344 posts, following 796 persons. She's a barrister. Yet she has this number of followers on Instagram. So you can see it now. So you could be a social media manager for someone. You could just reach out to someone. Maybe the person's page is not well organized, and you just be like, okay, madam, or hello sir, I would like to manage your Instagram page for you. All you just need to do is to post content, stuff like that on Canva. You understand? She happens to be my student. You understand? And she's learning some stuff. She learns some stuff from me. We both offer services for each other. You get the point now. So this girl, she's doing wonderfully well on Instagram. Okay, and then with her knowledge of digital marketing, she has been able to build this page to this extent. You can see it now, and she's really doing well. You understand? So, and another thing again is you can also, apart from being a social media manager, offering services to people using their Instagram, like helping them to manage their Instagram account, and then you'll be using Canva to design all sorts of content to engage clients and all of that. So you could just still go into ebook creation. So you can be creating ebooks for persons on with Canva. That's point number 4. You can be creating ebook. Now you can create your personal ebook. For example, now a few days ago somebody bought my ebook online, the importation guide, A to Z importation guide. You understand? Somebody bought it. I didn't even make any advert, but it was through my YouTube channel. The person just stumbled on the advert I did on YouTube. You understand? That was a very long time ago, and I just did the video, and the person went ahead to like get the book online. You understand? So what I'm saying there is that you can create an ebook. Okay, creating an ebook, you will just have to like sell them. So why do you need to create an ebook? Information that people actually admire more is information that has to do with money, especially in Nigeria. If you're not talking about money, Nigerians are not interested. So if you're talking about how to live a healthy life, well, some person may buy it, but I'm telling you that the chance of selling that book is very low. So if you're having books like making money, or that has to do with knowledge, like that by the time I use that read that book, you understand, I'm gonna make something out of that book. You understand? So people will buy it from you. So if you know of book writers who doesn't have how do I call it now, know how to design, you can volunteer, like not volunteering, you can tell them that you can create ebook for them, and then you charge them the sum of 3,000 naira. You understand? So you could be doing this for persons. You understand? Then organizing WhatsApp training. Now this WhatsApp training, you could just organize a WhatsApp training, and then you charge the sum of maybe say 500 naira, for example, for people to know how to design a graphics using their mobile phone. You get the point now? So let's do the calculation. For example, I want to do the calculation. Let's say calculator. I wanted to open calculator. Let's say I'm charging the sum of 500 naira, or let me say 200 naira, for example. 200 naira times, now a WhatsApp group, you have 257 persons in a WhatsApp group. Now see how much you'll be making from this class. you'll be making the sum of 51,400 naira. Please permit me to attend to a call, very important call. So guys, now imagine how much you will be making if you charge the sum of 200 naira times 257 persons on that group. That is 51,400 naira. So you can package your course in a way that people can just show interest in that particular course. You understand? Just create a course. You can create a course using your mobile phone. Actually, just download a screen recorder on your mobile phone, and then you just show them how they can make money from Canva, just like I'm teaching right now, and see how much you'll be making. 51,400 naira. So imagine you make 51,400 naira, and then you have like let's assume you have 51,400 naira. If this is a business idea for someone out there, all right, then you now multiply it by, let's say you just run an ads on Instagram or Facebook, or you just do organic ads like on WhatsApp, on Facebook groups. You understand? Large groups on Facebook. You just tell them you're going to teach them how to design graphics using their mobile phone. Easy step, but all they just have to do is to register with the sum of 200 naira. Now imagine you have 10 groups. You have made 514,000 naira only from organizing a WhatsApp training. So you can actually make, and you are not renting a venue. That's the most like the serious part of it. You are not renting any venue. I can tell you that if you do this on Fiverr, I mean on Canva, you don't even need, people will just be amazed that how do you get your money. You get the point now. So imagine you are offering such services to persons. You get the point now. And one thing you need to understand again is that in this kind of business, sometimes, like for example, now I'll share my experience with you. In this year alone, like in January this month, you understand, I have done something online where I charged the sum of I think I charged the sum of how much did I charge for that service? I charged the sum of 500 naira, yes, and I got almost, how much did I get from my ads? I think I got over 100 orders, yes, you understand, and 100 orders was about 50,000 naira, and I ran the ads for just 30,000 naira, but I got 50,000 naira, you understand. So what I'm saying there is that you make money online when you do stuffs that people are actually interested in, and people will actually see that, okay, if I actually learn this thing, I'll be saving more cost. Instead of calling a graphic designer, how much is 200 naira? You get the point now. It may be too cheap. Some person may not value it because it's too cheap, you understand, and why some will still value it because they just look at, I can, if I lose 200 naira online, even if they are going to scam me with 200 naira, you get the point now. At least I've learned something. So if you are watching this video, you can give this a try, and if it works for you, just send me a message by DM and thank me, so that I can actually I can just tell you that, oh, I can give you more information on what you can do to make money online. So thank you for watching this video. More videos are coming. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel, you understand, where I teach you all sort of things, how to make money. And if you want to have access to my online classes on website designing and digital marketing, you can just reach me on my WhatsApp below. You understand, my WhatsApp number is just below this video. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel.